Wow. We're in Boulder, Colorado. I said that right.
It's day 2, baby. Okay.
Guys, I think our room is haunted. We're hearing these like weird knocks. And then when we go out, there's nobody there.
This is weird, man. I don't know what's up.
Welcome to episode 2 of
Yeah,
Denver.
Wait, does this technically count as episode 2?
This is technically episode 2 because we're
Dude,
not.
wait, we get to start off with ghost hunting.
Where's the stairs?
I don't know.
We really thought episode 2 was going to start with us cooking. But
We're gonna start with us cooking? We're gonna cook in the morning?
No, I thought we were just gonna
Oh, is episode 2 only cooking?
I think so, I don't know.
That's horrifying. That's horrifying, dude. Oh my god. He's horrifying.
Captain Clark, is that you?
Wait, come here. Wait, here. Wait, look.
I am a fucking architect.
I said we have to change. Alright, sit down. Not you. Camcorder.
Cam boy, sit down.
So what'd you see?
Dude, I swear to God, I saw ghosts. When all those people out there they're acting natural. It's fucking not natural. I'm fucking stressed, dude. One more knock. One more knock on that fucking door. I'm gonna kill somebody.
You a fucking architect?
I am a fucking architect. No, dude. I'm telling you, there's ghosts.
This ghost.
It's gotta be real.
It's totally not just.
What else would it be?
It's totally not just 15-year-old girls.
It can't be them. They're down there. The ghosts would have to be up here, dude.
They fucking better be.
They should be. No, dude. Oh my god. I just realized. No, okay. So like, do you know the hallway, right? The long hallway.
Yes.
Here, like, this is our home, right? Home base. This is at the end of the hallway. Down here, right? I walk out and I'm like standing like this. Fully perked out because I was just doing that just in case they saw me. And I see one of them look like, ooh, and then I see them run away. Dude, they're fucking terrified.
Well, cause you're like a 6'6" man.
They thought it was gonna be a normal person.
No, you're fucking weird.
No, fucking normal person.
Imagine if I had walked out.
Yeah, exactly. They'd be like, yeah, whatever.
They'd be like,
We'll go knock again.
You're terrified of
I
me.
don't think they're gonna come back after you did that.
Good.
Last night.
The way you locked it was so funny, dude. It got quieter down there.
I'm not gonna look
I'm
out.
fucking crazy.
I can't look out.
Oh my god.
I'm not fucking crazy. I'm not fucking crazy. Don't fuck with me.
Okay.
Every day too.
Day 2 is gonna be incredible. Please lower the camera. It's gonna be incredible.
Every day too.
Every day 2.
Every day too.
Go, Jester boy, go. Go. Ooh. Robert, what do you think of that? What do you think of that? Wait, both of y'all should do it. Both of y'all should do it. Ooh. Robert, what are we doing today?
I don't know.
Do you know what we're doing today?
I don't know.
We're gonna see where the wind takes us, you know?
We're gonna, it's like, we could go to Chili's.
Cooking shrimp.
There's Chili's?
We could go to
Guys,
Chili's.
we have leftover pizza.
Come in, man.
Guys, make sure to watch Denver, Colorado. We are inside of you.
Denver. Oh my God, it's Denver. Is it started yet? Or is it paused?
It's up. No, I paused it.
Oh, okay. Look at these shenanigans, bro.
Denver, Colorado.
Remember, guys, ABG, hit him up.
If you're an ABG baddie in Grand Prairie, Texas, hit me up. I'll
Yeah.
be there.
He'll be there on like the 15th of June. Not June, July. Fuck, dude.
That's crazy, though.
How do you feel about these mountains?
Dude, they're pretty good. They got me taking pictures and shit.
Ooh, shit.
I don't know, guys.
Alright guys, the plan is, there's no plan. I want to get the e-bikes. The e-bikes are like right over there.
No, I do not want to get an e-bike.
Bro, imagine.
No, but like, okay, yesterday we didn't do it, today we kind of have to though, right?
Yeah, it'd be fun.
They cost money.
It's like $1 every 5 minutes.
That's a lot.
But $1 every what?
Like $1 every minute. I don't know.
No, it's horrible.
scooter on the side. We might have a bike on the side.
We found bikes. I don't know if you can see them.
Dude, look at those freaking bikes.
Look at those freaking bikes.
Very curious. I actually do know.
Do you want to ride a bike?
I do want to ride a bike.
Luke, do you want to ride a bike? No, you have to ride a
Very
bike.
anti-ride a bike.
No, you are riding a bike, and I'm gonna ride you. Why are you so sad? Here. For him. For Luke. Alright guys, make sure to download the bicycle app.
Bicycle. Air.
Wait, peep this, dude. Peep this, peep this, peep this, peep this.
Battle. Oh! Okay.
Shit.
Get notified when your bike has been returned. I don't care.
He's gone. There they go. Okay, guys. So this one, apparently these bikes are like dead or some shit. So we ain't got no bikes. So we're gonna have to go on a journey, son. A journey. That's made in nature. Alright, we gotta go this way. Yeah, where you at?
Where'd you go?
Where you at?
Where did you go?
Where you at?
Oh, can you answer my question?
Where you at? I gotta go, man. I gotta get my bike. Okay. It should be coming up. Oop. Bingo, I got action. Slip and fall. Okay. Which one can unlock?
We just bike.
That was crazy. Guys, we have to bike. We did it. And look, there's water. Whoa.
How do I plug this in?
Oh, I don't know. Were you supposed to plug them in?
I don't know.
That's probably truthful, right? I don't know. Mételo. ¿Dónde? Mételo. Yeah, you're slow.
I don't know, I haven't ridden a bike in like...
I can tell.
Where we at? Back Country Pizza and Tap House.
We got like some water for everybody. And if you want to check out the beer list, we got this QR code right here, okay?
Alright. Let's check the beer list. Huh? Because we are. Okay. You have a degree.
Yeah, I do have an associate's degree.
And what?
Science. It's like basically the bare minimum of like, hey, this is what you need. It's like some colleges have like different requirements, but that's what Dallas College wanted, and that's what my now college wants. I'm not gonna say the now college.
Okay.
Start over.
We at Back Country Pizza and Tap House. If you guys ever come to Boulder, come here.
This is really good. Yeah, this is like.
Yo, I would recommend Didi's Pizza and this pizza as well. Very good. Very yummy.
He had
I had a
pizza.
burger. I had a burger. The burger
I had a
was
grilled,
good.
I had a grilled chicken sandwich. Dude, that thing slaps. Oh my god.
I got a slice for $5. Our server was great.
He loves life.
He does.
Oh, that guy was so cheery, bro.
Alright, well, let's go. Oh, so cute. So cute.
That's only for my girlfriend.
What up? I fucking need this, man.
He needs ABGs bad. It's like dude, he's kind of going through it. If you're an ABG, please, in the Colorado area, hell, even when we get back to Texas, you know, he needs an ABG. He needs it bad.
Yeah, if you're near hit me up.
Oh, okay. Well, I gotta cut that out. Luke, look here. Look how desperate he is.
I'm 6'6".
He is, yeah.
I'm super rich.
Mhm.
I'm not. I have a big heart.
You know what else is big?
penis.
Yep, this is his interview. Alright, ABGs, hit him up.
There were so many fucking crashes on the highway, dude. There was like 10 fucking crashes. There was a
dude,
10-car
Can you
pileup.
believe that?
There was a 10-car
How do
pileup.
we even get out of there?
So-
how do we even get out of there?
So
Okay,
Robert
so you know-
was yep.
So I activated wing mode,
Oh,
and then we
dude.
started
Yep.
flying.
Yep. And then I grabbed the wheel like this, and then we jumped over it. Like watch. Here's the play-by-play.
Yeah, he's playing.
Here we go. Right. And
Yep,
it was awesome.
Yeah.
Cut to
cooking.
Look, it's my feet. I know you like my feet.
Those are mine.
What are we doing, Luke?
We're gonna cook.
All right, let's show everybody what we're cooking.
Set up.
Okay, this is we got spaghetti, we got pasta, we got all of our spices, we got steak, we got butter. And now you're probably wondering, if we don't have anything, how are we gonna cook? Well, let me show you. We're gonna cook. I'm gonna put Big Mama right there. Okay, so not only do we have Big Mama, but we have James's phone. There's Luke. James's phone. We have
Robert's
my phone, and then we have Luke's phone. It's gonna be awesome.
You are ready.
So so if you watched last episode, you know what we're making, but we're gonna give a little refresher. So we got the marinara sauce. Now you're probably wondering, what are you gonna eat with the marinara sauce? Well, we got spaghetti.
Pasta, stupid.
Shut the fuck up. We got
Meatballs are too hard and expensive.
We have sirloin tender.
Dude,
Oh, we're gonna eat. Alright,
I could crack this thing.
alright, Big Mama, switch to Luke's POV now.
Alright, Big Brother.
James.
Back to Big Mom.
Big Mama. Okay, now we're gonna transition to
Keep this in the fridge.
No, we have to butter the pan. Oh yeah. Guys, alright, cut to my POV. Boom! Before you always cook, you wash your hands.
Yes.
Yes.
Big Mama! Oh wait, I'm
I can make my iPad record.
Big Mama! Alright,
Big Mom.
first things first. Cut to, we don't have a Big Mama! Oh wait,
I can make my iPad record.
I'm just gonna kind of move Big Mama. No, it's okay. Oh yeah, also there's me sleeping.
Cutie. Yeah, you know, Big Mama's not gonna be
First things first, for the spaghetti, we gotta put water in here. I don't know how much water we put in there.
A good amount.
So from what I've learned from my father, cooking is a waiting game.
It is, yeah.
Put that in quotes, Big Mama. James!
Ew.
Did we just throw that away?
I think it's fine.
I'm sure it says expires on the 16th.
Yeah. We get food poisoning when we sue Walmart.
Oh! Wait, that's money.
And then I can pay for college. I can have $100,000
$1,000
in my bank account.
That we're gonna. I hear it.
I'm turning on unpopular.
We're such a strange relationship.
Cut. Montage.
Okay. Since they're both. We're gonna use about this much butter. Okay? This is how much butter we're gonna use. Alright. It's cooking! Oh, these cats are cooking!
Alright, stay. I'm
Swinging! Fuck!
Look at that.
Oh, Big Mama.
Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, it's starting to get warmer.
I'll turn it up a little
We're cooking, dude.
Guys, yes! Team tip on 3. One, okay. 1, 2, 3, tip. Oh wait.
Well, I don't know what that was, but
Wait, Big Mama, grab Big Mama.
POV.
What are you doing?
Searing them.
Should I at least ask my dad if paprika is a good idea?
Nope.
I don't.
A little too late for that.
guys, we're cooking.
Okay,
Actually,
that water is starting to boil. Get Big Mama. Watch that shit.
Okay, here, this.
I don't think it's boiling enough to put the thing.
Well, I feel like we can throw it in now.
No, bro.
When you try not to get the, because these corners are here fucked, but this middle bit is really, really Are you supposed to put that much at once?
Probably not.
We'll learn. Yo, look at this one. It's like my boner. Alright, Big Mama, watch this.
That's really good.
See, I'm telling you,
Can you get an idea for it?
no, I'm getting the feel, Oh, that one's a little.
You put it that way. Get it closer to the center. This heat distribution is some bullshit, dude. I don't know.
Oh yeah, look at us. Look at us.
Careful, Robert, careful. Be very careful. What are you doing?
Be careful, Big Mama.
Flip it!
Do not flip it.
I'm not flipping it.
Do not flip it.
Shake him a little, yeah, shake him a little.
Okay. Guys, let's get this. Put it back, put it back. That's enough. Now you get it off. How's that bottom? Let's see.
Oh! Woo!
I think
Cooked! And then I think we cut them, season them a little bit, and throw them back in, because we're trying to get like steak pieces, right?
Oh no, I feel like this is good.
Okay. Guys, you gotta keep it away from the fire detector.
Where even is it? Right next to the kitchen, where else would it be? Dude, this is not want to fucking come out. Sure. Get it, Russell.
Like, you see, look, this type of vapor goes up for like 4 seconds, and then it's gone.
Right there. Oh, that looks good. That makes me want to put in the first two again.
The heck?
Ah.
Those ones look like super big. Or super, what's it called?
Nice.
Yeah, they're good, but like, I don't know. Uber cooked.
All right, now put the marinara.
Look at that.
Okay.
Guys, just have to do dishes after this.
Yeah, that's fine.
You
We'll be real men and do dishes.
know who's been doing all the dishes? Me.
Thank you. We all thank you. Don't. Why'd you do that?
Okay.
Alright.
I like that.
I think that's good.
Here, let me feed you.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think we did all right. Here, I'm gonna take this. No, it doesn't hurt anymore. It's just-
Okay.
Does it hurt anymore? Did it hurt before?
No.
Strain that.
It's already strained.
Well, awesome.
Oh no, there's a little water in there. Okay.
Strained it all by itself. So proud of it. Wait, these are freaking countertop. We can put anything on them.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah. We're not like cooking on like wood.
Oh,
Oh.
that's.
Opa! That's pasta right there. Alright. Got a piece of meat. Mix it in with a little bit. Okay. Fell apart. Bon appetit.
How is it?
I mean, that's pasta and steak. And what are you gonna do? I mean, it's pasta and steak. Like, what are you gonna do?
I'm surprised we didn't fuck up as bad.
Yeah.
We turned off everything, right?
Yeah.
Everything's out. Okay.
Alright, take a bite.
Alright, go.
That's zero pasta.
Zero pasta in there.
I don't know.
I would honestly say, like, keep in mind that pizza was an 8, right? The cheese pizza was an 8. This is obviously like a 5, I would say. Like, dead middle. It's not bad, right? But it's not good. Like, I wouldn't be like, I want this exact thing every single night. I'd be like, yeah, man, it's awesome.
You did good. High five.
Pussy.
High five. High five. High five. Tip on me. Tip on 3.
1, 2, 3, tip.
Okay. That's the end.
Cut to
Cut
what
to
color?
Cut to
Green.
Cut to the hike.
God damn, look at that ass, Big Mama. God damn. God damn.